Hello children, I hope you all are fine and you are completing your assignment on time. Children, in last time we had completed exercise 13. Now today we are going to start exercise 14. Till exercise 13 we had completed GCD, LCM in separate form. GCD is also known as HCF. GCD or HCF and LCM we had completed. Now related to HCF and LCM we had completed the reduced form of the given number. Today in this exercise 14 the mix-up sums are there related to HCF, LCM and the reduction form. One by one we are going to complete. So children, in exercise 14 question number first ask, choose the right option. In that question is asking, first question, that is the HCF of 120 and 150 is dash. Then here question is asking 120 and 150. For both these number asking for HCF. For that purpose first we will see by which number this both 120 and 150 number is divided. So children, 2 6 jar 12, 2 0 jar 0. 120 is divided by 2. Next number 150. 2 4 jar 8. 2 5 jar 2 6 jar 12. 2 7 jar 40. Then first one 2 7 jar 14. 1 and 0. Next number 2 5 jar 10. For both these number 60 and 75 we will find out the next prime number which one divides both these number. Then if you remind, this both number will divide by 3 as well as 5. Therefore first we will prefer 3. 3 2 jar 6, 3 0 jar 0. 3 2 jar 6, 3 5 jar 15. So children, our next number we will take 4, or you can take here, if you will take by 4, 20 will divide but 25 will not be divided. That's why we will prefer that number which one divides 20 and 25 both. Then what is that number? 5. 5 4 jar 20, 5 5 jar 25. So children, in the last column we got 4 and 5. Then 4 and 5 both number we are not getting in common table. Therefore whatever the common answer we got for the two number 120 and 150, that factors are 2, 3 and 5. Then multiply all this number. 2 3 jar 6, 6 5 jar 30. In common we got 30 as a HCF. Therefore 4 options are given. Out of that 4 options, first option is correct. Now second question. The HCF of this pair of number is not 1. Now some pairs are given. For example, first pair is 13, 17. Second one 29, 20. Third one 40, 20. Fourth one 14 and 15. Children, here we want out of all First of all, we want HCF. Then in that HCF, they are asking for which number out of these 4 pair HCF we are not getting 1. Then 13 and 17. Both is prime number. Therefore, in between both, we will not get any number common. Therefore, automatically for 13 and 17, HCF is 1. Then, next one, 29, 20. For 29 is a prime number, and for 29, no factors are there, only 1 and 29. Correct? No? Then next number is 20. For 20, we are having factor, but no use only, because with the 29, no factor will be common. Therefore, for this answer also, HCF will be 1. Now, next number is our 14 and 15. For 14, we are having numbers as a factor 2 into 7. 2 7s are 14. For 15, we are having number 3 into 5. As we all can see, for both this number 14 and 15, the factors we got 2, 7, 3, 5. Here also we can see that no number is there common. Therefore, as a common, we can tell that 1 is common, and that 1 is the HCF. Now, one number remain, that is 14 and 20. So, children, for 40, our factor is 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 4. Suppose we will find out for 40. 2 2s are 4. Then 2 1s are 2. 2 0s are 0. 2 5s are 10. And 5 1s are 5. Means for 40, we got the factor 2 into 2 into 2 3 times and multiply by 5. For next number 20, we will get 2 into, for next number 20, 2 10s are 20, 2 5s are 10 and 5 1s are 5. Means for 20, we are having factor 2 into 2 into 5. Then our common number, we are getting this all 2 2 5. And here we want that which pair is there where you are not getting 1. Then which pair is there, children? That pair is third one, 40 and 20. I hope you all understood. Here also we got common factor 1. Here also we got common factor 1. Here also for 14 and 15 we got common factor 1. Only third option 40 and 20 we not got common factor 1. We got 2 2 5. Means more than common factor we got. That's why our answer is third one. So children, we are moving for next question. Question number second. Question number second is find HCF and LCM for the given question 14 and 28. First question 14 and 28. Find out prime factor for both this number. First of all, we will see which number is common in between both. We will take 2. 2 7s are 14. 2 1s are 2. 2 4s are 8. Next number common 7. 7 1s are 7. 7 2s are 14. If we will take next number, as you all can see, here you got already 1, here only remain. Therefore, children, we want here HCF and LCM both. That's why whatever the factor you got common, that one is your HCF. So children, write down HCF equal to 2 into 7, that is 14. Now we want LCM. For LCM, we can find out till we are not getting a remainder 1. That is, here we will divide by 2. Here already we got 1, that's why that number as it is we will write. Next, 2 1 are 2, means in both the place we got 1 1. That's why here in this side, which numbers we got as a common factor, we will write LCM equal to 2 into 7 into 2. If you want, you can keep this one like this also. Common factor HCF, and with the common which number remain, that one also you multiply. That one will be your LCM. Therefore, for this question 14 and 28, your LCM will be 2 2 are 4, 4 7 are 28. I hope you understood this question. We will do next sum. That is, we will solve question number 3rd. Here 3 numbers are given. So children, in question number 2nd, 3rd question we will solve. 3rd one, 17, 102 and 117. 170. So child, we can make the column over here only. Then here we will write the answer. For 17, 102 and 170. As if you remind the table, if you not forgot in the lockdown, if you remind, you are continuously studying, then maybe you remind the table. And in the table of 17, we will get 17, 1 jar 17, 17 6 jar 102, 17 10 jar 170. Isn't it? So children, now next one, here we got 1, 6 and 10. As we can identify here common factor, we will get only 17. Therefore, write down which number is common factor. That one will be your HCF. Therefore, your HCF equal to 17. Now, for LCM. For LCM, we will find out more, or if you want to stop here, you can stop here and you can multiply 17 into 6 into 10. If you don't want to stop and you want to continue, then 2, here remain 1, 2 3 are 6, 2 5 are 10. Next one, you will continue this sum till that time you are not getting 1 1 1 for all the 3 numbers. Therefore, after 3, 3 1 are 3, 3, this number will remain same only, because we are not getting 5 in the table of 3. Next one, 5. Here you can see 1 1 1, 5 1 are 5. For LCM, you will write 5 into 3 into 2 into 17, or you can write like this way also, 17 into 2 into 3 into 5. This way or this way, both the method is correct. 17, then 5 3 are 15, 15 2 are 30, 30 into 17, 30 into 17, multiplication. 17 0 jar 0, 17 3 jar 51. Then your answer is 510. So children, which number is common for all this given question? That one is your HCF. And which number you are multiplying and you are finding the factor till you are not getting 1. Then this all, including all this product of this number is your LCM. Now we will move for our next sum. Our next sum we will do question number 5th. Question number 2nd in that 5th one. 21, 49. Next one 84. So children, here we can observe by which number all these 3 given question will divide. As we can identify, with the help of 7 we can divide all 3 number. For example, 7 3 are 21, 7 7 are 49, 7 1 are 7, 7 2 are 14. Means 12 7 are 84. Then before that number, whatever we are getting, children, in that some numbers will divide by 2. For example, 84 will divide by 2. But 21, 49 will not divide. Therefore, we had not taken in the starting only 2. Now children, here we want SCF. SCF means it should be divided by, all the 3 numbers should be divided by only one common factor. Therefore, we had written 7 as a common factor. So children, if you will observe, here different numbers we got. And all these different numbers we are not getting in the same factor. Means in 3, 7, 12 is no number is common in between all 3. So our SCF is 7. I hope you all understood which number is common or which factor is common for all 3 numbers. That one is called as SCF. And now for our LCM we will continue our division factor, that is 3. 3 1 are 3. 7 will remain same only because 7 we are not getting in the table of 3. 3 4 are 12. Again this 4, if you want you can directly write 4. Otherwise 2 2s are 4. Then here we will write 4 directly. 4 1 are 4 or 2 write down. 2 1 are 7, 2 2s are 4. Here again with the help of 2 only. 1 7 1. 2 1 are 2. Here again which number is remain? 7. Then divide by 7. You will get 1 1 1. For all 3 you got your answer. What is the LCM? LCM will be 7 into 3 including all these factors. 3 into 2 into 2 into 7. Now multiply all the given factor. If the product of this factor will be your LCM. Then 7 2 are 14, 14 3 are 14, 7 2 are 14, 14 2 are 28, 7 3 are 21. Answer 8 1 are 8, 1 2 are 2, 2 8 are 16, 2 2 are 4, 1 5. 8 8 and 5 means your LCM for this number is 588. So children, I hope you all understood. Related to all this, if any doubt is there, you can ask. Next question. Question number 3rd. Question number 3rd. Third one is find the LCM. So children, question first ask 36, 42. Here we are going to find out the LCM factor. Therefore, 36 and 42. By 2 we will divide both this number. 2 1 jar 2, 2 8 jar 16, 2 2 jar 4, 2 1 jar 2. Now you got 18 and 21. 18 will divide by 2 but 21 will not divide. Therefore next number we will take, next prime number is 3. 3 6 jar 18, 3 7 jar 21. Now here 6, 2 3 jar 6. Here this number will remain same only. Next one, 3 1 jar 3. Here you got 1 but here remains same only. Now next 7. Here both the number you got 1 1. Then you can stop there and write down LCM of 36 and 42 equal to 2 into 3 into 2 into 3 into 7. Multiplication of all this you will get, that product you will get for LCM. 2 3 jar 6, 6 2 jar 12, 12 3 jar 36, 36 into 7, 7 6 jar 42, 7 3 jar 21, 21 and 4, 25. Your SCF is 252. Children, I hope you all understood the given sum. Now, our next question we will solve. Question number 2nd, 15, 25 and 30. 15, 25 and 30. For all these three given number, first we will find out the factor which one divides all three number, and that factor is 5. 5 3 jar 15, 5 5 jar 25 and 5 6 jar 30. Suppose here someone will ask you what will be the SCF. So children, common factor that is 5 is your SCF. Now here question was asked that find out the LCM, and because of that one we will solve further. That is, for next number we will take 3. 3 1 jar 3, 3 2 jar 6, and this 5 will not be divided, that's why as it is we will write. Next one, here already we got 1, that's why write 1 as it is. Next one you can write 2 also and 5 also, any one number. 5 remains same. For 2 it is 2 1 jar 2, 1 you got. Next number 5. 5 write down and you will get for all three number 1 1 1. And now your LCM. LCM for 15 25. LCM of 15 25 and 30 equal to product of all these number, all these factor, 5 into 3 into 2 into 5. So children, 5 2 jar 10, 10 3 jar 30, 30 into 5, 150. Product LCM for 15 25 30 equal to 150. So children, here we will solve last sum. In last sum 4 number is given. Therefore directly we will leave question number 3rd and 4th. We will move to our last question, that is 24th, 5th one. 24, next 40, next 80, next 120. So children, if possible, then take directly common number. Here we can see 4, 0, 0, 0 is in their unit place. First we will prefer 2 only. 2 1 jar 2, 2 2 jar 4, 12. Next 2 20 jar 40. Next 2 4 jar 8 and 0. Next 2 6 jar 12, 0. As we are saying 0, 0, 0 and 2 is there in unit place. Again we can divide all this given number by 2. Then 2 6 jar 12, 2 10 jar 20, 2 20 jar 40 and here 2 30 jar 60. So children, again we can divide this number by 2 only. 2 3 jar 6, 2 5 jar 10, 2 10 jar 20 and 2 15 jar 30. Next one we will divide 3. We can divide by 3 as well as we can divide by 5 also. Then with the help of 5 we can divide 5, 10, 15. That's why we will prefer 5 only. Or you can take 3 also. It is depend on you. If you will take 3, then also you are correct. If you will take 5, then also you are correct. Suppose we are taking 3, then what will happen? Here you will get directly 1, but all these 3 numbers will remain as it is. So children, now you will take 5. Here remain 1 as it is. 5 1 jar, 5 2 jar, 5 3 jar. Next one, 2 and 3 remain. By 2 we will take 1 1 1. Here 3 will remain as it is. Then now last take 3 and everywhere you will get 1 1 1. So children, here for 24, 40, 80 and 120. For all these given 4 number, your answer, that is LCM equal to product of all this factor 2 into 2. How many times 2? 1, 2, 3. 3 times 2. Next number 2 is 4 times. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 times. Now next number 3. 3 is 2 times. Next number 5. Multiplication of all these number. 2 2 jar 4, 4 2 jar 8, 8 2 jar 16, 16 3 jar 48, 16 3 jar 48. Now here 3 5 jar 15. Now multiply 48 into 15. 48 where from you got? 2 2 jar 4, 4 2 jar 8, 8 2 jar 16, 16 3 jar 48. Till here we had multiplied. It should be easiest form. That's why again we had multiplied this both 3 into 5. And now both number we will multiply. 15 8 jar 120. Then 0 and carry 12. 15 4 jar 60. Then this one 60 plus 12. 2 and 7. This one is 7 2 0. Means your LCM equal to 720. So children, I hope you all related to SCF and LCM all sum understood properly. Now we are going to move question number 4th. Find the smallest number which when divided by 8, 9, 10, 15 and 20 gives a remainder of 5 every time. So children, for this sum, again I hope you all understood this given sum. Next one, question number 4th one. Now 8 9, 10, 15 and 20. Here now numbers are increased. So children, what we will do? Solve this all. Find out the factors for all this number. If you are unable to solve this same sum, we will solve in next class. That is question number 4, because it is given remainder of 5 every time. What you will do? All these 5 numbers, first as it is, we are find out the LCM. We will find out LCM, and in that we will add 5. Then addition of LCM product of this one, which one you will get answer, and plus 5 you will get your number. Therefore this question I will solve in next class. Till that time, children, I hope whatever today we had completed, you understood properly, and you will complete the given assignment. Till that time, be safe, healthy and happy. Thank you children.